Here we are looking at BBDA. Done this one a bunch of times, but we're changing it up a little bit. I've gotten some questions on this one, and the daily chart really hasn't changed by much, so it's kind of hard to update that. But looking and breaking the chart down to the 60-minute chart, I think it does a very good and makes it very transparent on what's been going on in this shorter term consolidation and what you want to see continue to happen from the technical perspective. So, with that being said, the first thing I want to point out here is this orange line, which is the 60 period simple moving average. And you can see here that on this nasty pullback, that's where the price found support, bounce, and then when it pulled back here, once again found support there. So this is an important level of support. And this is the line that we're going to use as a trend line to draw our pattern that we're about to put together here. I know usually you don't use moving averages as trend lines, but personally I like to use them as trend lines every now and then, just because I think it makes sense and just helps make things more clearly. So again, this is a 60 or 200 period simple moving average, and we're going to use this as a support trend line of our pattern. Now, as for the resistance portion of the trend line, we're just going to draw this right here. I'll change this to red to represent the resistance portion of the pattern. But as you will see, we have ourselves basically a symmetrical triangle, wedge, whatever you want to call it. No, whatever you want to call it, whether it be a symmetrical triangle or a wedge, both are bullish. Now, what allows me to say bullish? Well, if we look at actually two moving averages, if we look at our 50 period here, you can see the low of it right there was at this point, and then the previous low before, as you can see, it's heading back upwards, was up here. Obviously, this low is higher than that one. So the 50 period is trending upwards, but the much easier way to see is just going back to the orange line. You can see this has a very clear and very evident upward slope to it. So whether you call it, like I said, a symmetrical triangle or a wedge, both are bullish because the overall context right now is bullish. So this is basically the consolidation pattern that you want to see continue to hold. I know the price hasn't come down and test this moving average in a while, but like I said, for my perspective, I think it just helps to see the chart a little bit better and more clear. But as long as this moving average continues to hold a support, the chart will remain bullish within this current consolidation period. And the key level that you want to see break out above is going to be this trend line up here. If the bulls can push through here, then ideally the chart will then be able to go up and start to test those 0.016 and 0.018 areas.